kwataganyeko ne Macha 256 ate ngono dancer. Well, tetugenda kubanga twogera nnyo, twagala tutukire ku point. Omulamu oguli otwalabye You and Black Sugar. Yavuddeyo emabega kaawo ng'alaga nti mulina embiranye. Mulina obutakkaanya. Ate nga you guys mwaliba nga buli mwebuti. Mwali too close. Kiki ekyabaddewo gwe ne Black Sugar? Obuzibu buvaawa to an extent okulangira n'ebintu bye tutamanyi nga buli omulogo oba wamanyi nti anti mulogo, you know, yayogedde ebigambo bingi. Obutakkaanya bwo ne Black Sugar bwavudde ku ki? For starters, emikwano mu buli friendship wabeerawo happy times and sad times, but I think kino kyo kyasuseemuko where wasn't really necessary. The Black Sugar twemanye Uganda, like we have been friends way back. No, it's okay, you can mix Uganda and English. Yes. Like we have been friends like from way back at campus and all that. So tuzenga tufuna issues and all that, buli kimu kibeera fine. But this time, and Black Sugar amanyi, she knows me, I'm not a person again okola mpalanirako. And that's where all the issue came in from. Kati, the very, 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 very start, we never notandika. Umanyi tukola challenges ku TikTok. Ba dancer, ba influencer, tu promoting enyimba z'abayimbi, batuwaka sente. And nza sigoba mirimu. So, owaliwo omwami omu, dancer munnange, is a very good choreographer. Lumu nga nkubira essimu nga ngamba, "Hey Macha, are you available tomorrow? Bichi. Ngamba what time? Because I have a shoot later on." Ngamba like morning hours. So munaye nentambula nengenda. Ntukayo walo mwanyi nkola nnyo ne ba girls. I have the girls I work with. Nisangayo nga waliwo bana ne bagamba, "Eh, kagigi batwise na moyo muli, that is nice." Ba playing ngolimba lwa Amosani. Amos Lovings. Bawa yali Black Sugar. Yali bawa Black Sugar. Yes. Nga olimba I know olimba lwaina nga amulimu Oluswahili. That song. So nentuka nengamba omwami yampita, the dancer, nemugamba, "I'm rushing, but can I please shoot my content? Then I leave." And he was like, "It's okay." Then shooting ganze nenkola ki? Nenvaawo. Ngenda kushoot nali ngenda. So ngenda tuuka nga Black Sugar ankubira. So wankubira, but you know your friend, yali curious. Nali curious, I think that she's a little bit bitter. Nambuza, "Nkulabye ku list y'abadansa bavokola bichi. Gwe yakoze dance?" Nemugamba, "No, it's not me, but a friend yakoze so nganze ne shooting nganze nenvaawo." Nangamba bakoze ne bagirls bo. Nemugamba, "Kusanzeyo ko abalala basatu, so to make it 4 with me." So bayise. Nangamba, "The dance is nice." Namugamba, "Amos yali naye mu background." Wemba nimbo jabuza Amos. So nagamba bulijjo bakozesa gwe tebabingambyeko bino blah blah, because usually from the very start nze nokusinkana Amos yali business. Anga buli Amos wafulumya oluyimba nzakola the choreography. I did the choreography, nefuna abaana bange, then bagenda nga bakatambuza ka dance nemba dance abalala and all that. But this time I think they had a misunderstanding. Gesagala genda because that's their personal life. Amos ne Black Sugar. Yes, I think they had a misunderstanding. Kati management ya Amos nekola ki ne kwata nefuna bo omuntu wali comfortable naye because bulijjo Sugar mukwano gwange and she knows what I can do. Abadde mukwano gwange, sorry. Abadde mukwano gwange and she knows what I can do. So era nga buli gigejja bampereza oluyimba nenkola ki ne choreography. But this time around they had a right, but it's same ateka design okola ka dance. So wecho webyali namulaga nti munange twakoze and all that na nemanyi bikomyawo. So with time what like 2 days the same guy called me nangamba njagala nkolera challenge endala emu. Ngani akugamba? Oyo that's the same guy, the same dance choreographer. Yakubira lulimu. Sagala kogera linyere koza sagala limuyingizamu. Nankubira nangamba njagala nyongereyo challenge emu, but shootinga naffe eno shooting eno omuyimbi. So nengenda, but she already knew that
I'm already working for this guy because he's posting posting a work. Yes, so ngangenda ngakola, and it's very good for naffe kitukolera n'omuyimbi kimukolera nti okolako ne dancer oba influencer kigwena gwoba ofunye kitambuza. So nengenda nenkola n'omuyimbi. It was just one video. They paid for that one extra video. Nekola video
again.
Yes.
Nga Black Sugar tamanyi.
I believe she knew because you know bawe. Nengena nekola video because this is my business. Like yo bro, what one's just sent. Nekola video. Nayo nekola chi. Actually, after me doing that video, they had to posting it on the work. And this never check your wange because already bad na other business I was there posting. Njagala male yo tandiko na waka ngali fresh. Actually, I don't call as a video before even the song was out. Shooting a content kati nabangamba Friday batoluyimba so natandika postingira lwaki teyangamba ziri other videos nzijeyo. She called me ngali so furious, she's crying, deleting a video eyo nengamba video ki deleting a video sinakola video nga nkola olimba loyo mwami I delete namugamba I was paid for this, why would you make me yes
delete the video.
Namugamba I'm professionally that's not right. If you have issues with your man mubitereze oli mukwano gwange sigenda yingira mu ntalo zambo. However much you come to me nongamba this and this toli nsanga nga nchiziza ewa Amos Sugar ngambye kino. I never do that.
Okay.
And I've never done that. No mubuza yeke nyini no mubuza Sugar ona li mutuzizako because Amos is my friend wovude kubya business. I met Amos before Sugar met Amos.
Hey.
Yes.
Kitegeza waliwe nkolagana esukka kaawo.
Yes. Tewali.
Okay, continue with that.
Tewali nkolagana but I met Amos before Sugar met Amos. Okay. So Amos abaddewo nga mukwano gwange. So Amos and you know you men temwe wa yonga for bakazi like to speak out everything and all that. You guys don't do that. Muina kemwerekerayo because zikiro no mchalawo and all that bichi you respect yourselves to an extent indeed. You know your limits.
Yeah.
So nga akugamba kati ndi muntu mukulu leo nobo wamubuya nogamba bro things will get better bichi pushing endongo like talk to your wife blah blah but I've never gone to Sugar nemugamba Amos ngambe kino and I've never gone to Sugar I've never gone to Amos nemugamba Sugar ngambe kino. The only time I went to Amos was that time like I was confused nengamba Amos Sugar ngambe deleting a video jenkoze nawe.
Okay.
Are you guys okay? What is wrong? Nanga Martha bino biveko. You're a professional person. You've been in industry for a long time. Togenda agenda mu bintu byampalanirako because we're trying to do that video ne mugamba bampadde sente.
Olonga bafunyemu obutakkaanya ne Amos.
Ndoza banga batandika abantu batanze okwogerako sinanga Sugar nze before even used to call me because babanyi I'm a friend to Sugar. Babambuza Sugar ne Amos wekananga bawukanira ki? You guys mufachi. Like kwashe mwagala kula abantu bali together. Mkwani I used to love that girl by the way. I used to love her because I accepted her as my friend. Ngamanyi what she can do and what she can do. But this was too much. So munange nagano kudeleting a video. Then wait like 2 days gonna realizing that actually similar for you page yange tabulako. Oli chali wange tabulako.
Abeerako 24/7.
Abeerako mateka no liking and no commenting and no reposting. Oba nenkwata what this is my friend. Nanga simula bako. Nanga bakamusachingeko.
Oli concerned ogamba.
My child.
Chekigenda maaso.
Actually so nataka ku WhatsApp ngana asira ba status nengamba bichi nenge DP yenjiraba. Nengamba nenge ngende ku TikTok bichi.
Ogenda tuukayo.
Ngaba blocking. She blocked me. She has 2 accounts, Zemanyi, because I'm following her on both accounts. Not following her on both accounts. She blocked me on both accounts. Nengamba maybe. Nengamba Sugar ali short tempered. I know her. I've been in that same state of us. Ibra wanda wada. Zinalima waya nawe. Na reacting irawo. Neo kutuka nokakana. Nogamba mfachi nensi. Oshegera. So muli mtima ngamba. It is just a phase. Already I know the item so be confirming anti waliwo issue and this and this. Aja kunzijayo it is okay. People fight. Mukwano day 1, day 2, 2 months, 3 months. Actually nze kwawukana ne Sugar eyo period. Nataka na kwawukana ne mami Zubeda
Hajati Zubeda.
Yes.
Byantalo.
Why do you call her Byantalo?
That's her name. Also.
For acting. Okay.
Zubeda Byantalo.
Yeah, I met her once, but I liked her. Yeah. So na blockinga. Our schoolers like yo. Kati obudde butambula, you know, tuli mu industry bagenda kumsa lero wano kola challenges bakupite neno nenga sanga nya abantu ngabanga ne Sugar wamukola ki n'abayimbi bennyini benkolera abamu oli agamba mwayokola ne Sugar. It's like kalenga maybe like oli onengeri jangamba mu ngalinga ndaga nti oba bankuba yekikono okushegera na period natama nengende Nairobi nenga ndi Nairobi nenga omuntu angamba man Sugar wamukola ki bichi you get never ngamba no just na lemera if you make it the conclusion is na lemera kola mpalanirako.
So yari agala owana ne Amos
in my own understanding because okungamba njeyo video omwami oli answer sude it's like odinga ngamba mbu twagala associate with that him
since engeri ya separating naye nawe ukole the same thing.
I don't do that. After a time I've been with her your muntu she's a jealous friend. Oshegera wobo oli mukwano gwe nakuba mukwano gwe
toli muli amulukwe.
That is the person and also she has this inti wayogera tewali ayogera and that is not me zite banfuga no. I have limits. I have a life. Naba musajja gwenjagala tonfuga
kati okirealizing nti akublock nze
olonga nudo mulaba ku for you page nga ndabeka video. I think she had over affairs with this brown lady Prima
yes
kadalaba ka video nga Prima asanga mwito ba chipoli something like that chipoli kati ngana abisesa kati nga njagala mukebereko kati ngenda mu typing a Black Sugar na simple apa ngamba
ensonga eri serious
nga blocking sabifa nga sabifa ko nnyo cause nalaba nga si kintu kinene. I chose like being professional over being dramatic. I'm not gonna call it friendship. Like no friend does that. Banange, fight your wars as long as you don't involve people. Kati munange, recently, not even recently, this Sunday day, twali ku live ya badansa. Bakuliko badansa katwali omwami dansa era omulala a DVD. DVD is one of the good dancers we have. So DVD I know shageza ko kolanti. Akola those lives ezigata badansa, talk about some issues because baina simanyanga federation in association bageza ko kola. So maybe at the end of the day wajakola ekolagana ya badansa no wabimanyi geza ko. So he's been doing these lives. Kati I happen to be on this live because bad every nali ndimu kuva mu ddwaliro nefuna boda nenyangwa nenzire waka nembera ko yo live. It was fun nga badansa ba interacting nga twinze ndi mu comment section n'abalala tunyumya mu bikinga ye museka. You know how dancers be associating and creating friendship but amanyi no buzano nga simanyi DVD munyanjulire like that ono mshala ngajja they welcomed her na joining irawo n'abamteka ku kano yabaliko kwaliko abantu bangi so her point was right nti agamba ayogera nti badansa like just in the like any other sector waberawo abatakwatagana and all that nti waliwo abeeryamu enkwe. Her point was right and she was like badansa mubere kimu amu mweryamu enkwe and blah blah. Wali mwana ya textinga nangamba oyo mchala kimeki ku live ya badansa nemugamba
ngagamba Black Sugar
kozi oyo mwana yamanyi nti nze ne Black Sugar she knew we were friends but she got to know nti tufunyemu issue na texting anangamba munzita kosi wali mu comment section like nga tu texting atwedda mu bichi so na texting anangamba munze koze yamanyi ze simulaba ye nayo nuko yakola chiku live ya badansa nshegera kono nange chenebuza over you get so twabivako but like at first our intentions weren't like that bad because yala yogera ebirungi but omuntu wobo omumanyi mara I'm like no mwana nasaza kweno live chiko mataina chagenda kuogera ko nga chinkonako but even before ujikana kungawe kugameta abantu baze bangamba Black Sugar agamba kino bichi nenga I can't take one-sided information. I've been there. I've accused someone nemulumba ngabangambe gundi agambe kino kumate gundi yabeyogeredde so nene sala nengamba jagala manyenga biri mtu ngabiri ku both sides. I know Sugar talks. Ntuwayo kanado omuntu alina okwogera ngomateeka she talks. Oba bituufu oba bifu. Yayogera te etasobya. So nga alete yo She brought the same thing. Chibaja bangamba. Oyo mulenzi yatuita kwa yo gig. Yapita kwa gig ya bawe. Na kwe gwenyini gwali mu accusinga bunze na gamba choyo mulenzi. Like so yo mulenzi like sinti na gamba. But I told her tono guy musinga following.
Okusinga ani?
Inze singo yo mulenzi dancer musinga following. Lwachi simenyanga bamuwa simenyanga lwachi in her statement she was like yampita ku gig nenjogerera omulenzi lwachi abamuyita like nkuboli ekikono like why would I oyo mulenzi apita ku mirimu susu kamwogere nerinya you know Susu dances he's a very good dancer. I should check on him. He's called Susu Dances. Aina
Mutegede
Muganda wa Jen Mashao.
Yes, Mutegede.
Ona badancer. Aina group ya mulimu ne Chemical.
Yes, Mutegede.
Yes, Black Family.
Yes.
They're very good dancers. You should check. Kanisa no yi baba ina kaimba kalunji. So Susu is a very good dancer and Susu is a person who never misses out to call me on any opportunity. Obanga see a group ya we bonga bo. He calls me. I've never had a banga never say muinda sifu na ko issue na Susu. Ne banga waliwo bachanga ba blood this and this I don't love this. I'm a person who speaks out. So la batamba ite banjagala. Bro manyi kugamba blood. Oh you nonsense the simu simye. I tell you point blank. So it hurt me because it's been a YouTube mbi uyalenga mbi ulambi mbigambo nenga jagala ne confirm ngelo obusala eyo point nyingi ayogera ku live. Nenga tayogera linya lyo muntu. So I felt bad. Nengamba, I think I should speak out Nengamba. Sugar Likunze. Can you guys add me on this panel? Jogere nange, like I speak out. And misunderstanding geveo. Because as a move dancer, in the dance fraternity, chikuba na abantu kulika bampe mirimu. Tugenda kuja kunyonera linya mu bantu bekola mu. Oli muyimbi. Because ye ita muyimbi right now.
Muyimbi.
Muyimbi. Yoshagera. Ze siri muyimbi. Ze siri imba. I can't even sing my name, bro. I can't. But this is where I get the money. Oshagera.
Kachinyagala okubuza Masha. Gigio eyasoko kuva ewa Hamos. I've had nti wali oyita wa Sugar.
Ngamita mu.
Like ngoyita wa Sugar nga Hamos maybe ayita wa Sugar tu.
Ngafuse muchala we. Before Amos okujanga ne muchala we. Oboshegera koze ko kizemo omuchala mami yogera ko ne gundi tugenda kola no ne wano like omuchala nga yakwasaganya washegera nga yalinga manager before even she started singing. I met Amos even before. The very first day I met him ne pilo limba nga lulungi ne mugamba manyi soke tukoleka dance routine. You know Uncle Major?
Radio.
Yes, radio. Yes, omwami beba tukira ne ono muvubuka za stylist bamutazaga ayambaza mwami. Yes, beba tukirira ne bantwala ku Amos Lovins. But I knew his face nenga simuina che mumanyiko nnyo shegera. I knew him ngamanyi ono muyimbi nenga simumanyiko nnyo. Over you get?
Yeah.
So I got to know Amos no kumpa business before even Sugar came in the picture. Kati nze nenkola namugamba ne nati mujenkola nabo olonga ndeta bawala bange mukwano ze sifa tanga tekuliko ba girls unless muri aze nagamba njagala matcha
alone.
Yes. I do it with the girls. Kati I did it. I got the business over me working with Amos before even Sugar coming in the picture. But now Sugar comes in the picture as Ajana ye muchala because ali muchala we everybody knew that. Oba you get ne omugamba nti tugenda koera oba million went ne we bati nga ajane mwami we era nga omwami wa mukwasa sente nga tudde wano we bati ye nga tudde wano nga nze ndi wano nazibala bulungi nakola ki nampa nga zivudde wani
wa Amos.
Yes. That is the thing. And there is not day Amos you alianzige simubanjangako paka ku last day ya good jena sina sembo bakolera Amos watajanga zeye kana ngamba agenda kupereza balance. But the good thing I already cleared the girls, but now this money was for my choreography.
Meaning ti gundi said zavanga wa Amos nazo Black Sugar project Sugar ya banga ya kusasula. Yes. Ebanga lyonna. Chekinyiza Black Sugar. Ekinyiza
Black Sugar checho chena kugamba ekyoku okugana okola mpalanira akonti nagana okujayo video. Kati na I think she kept that anger because that is the main thing. Kati wabanga nokola live, wabanga nokujoining eyo live nga otwakomyeri. Nanga nokujoining eyo live. Nanga bangene kola live yange nanga bagenda kosula DVD bu 500,000 not to have me on that live. Why? Because she knows nze omuntu atalimba ngenda kwogera ekintu nga bwe kyabadde. Kati she didn't want kweswaza. Black Sugar wayawukana naawe ayagala buli akulya okumpi akute. Alukutinga ne budansa bwalukutinga sebe ennaku z'olyo kadansa akambulookizi sina kye nakakoze no ye namanyira kozi kuva ddaze buli dansa sigenda muwa amasannyalaze bro. Sigenda muwa
ayagala buli muntu
gwakola taagala that peace. I realized that about her. Tayagala nti ayagala wayakala nawe obere muba mu depression. Omanyi nga these toxic men who break up with you, they want to see you happy. Aina mu ekyo ekintu which is not good. Break up with someone, let them be. I can be in a place where I'm not loved by 100 people. Nzize kola. I do what has brought me. I live. Nzize musanga bampita ku record okola interview. Nana musanga atudde ku reception.
Okay.
Samunyega samukola chi like you blocked me. If you block me on social media, you've blocked me in real life.
Kitegeeza nti oba tokyanneeta.
Tonneetaaga, what do you want me for? Oshege. Namuyitako ne musanga ndi mukolera Gael ne team yange. Singa wali awo wadde no nga imirida no nga ndi wano nga ne Gael nga ayogera naye ne muvira amalize nange nenga simunyega simuyinako. But I don't even hate Black Sugar. I don't hate her. But all abantu sayo kujamu. You know how I've always avoided these things. Otukidde kujja mu kino a statement yakoze. I need to clear the air wa bino bino yabivudde. In my entire life I'm never doing palanirako for anybody. I am not.
Kati gala yagala like
it's like ayagala mulage nti ndi ku side ye. No, I don't.
Tiwoba yawukanye ne Hamos.
Nange ni nsisi la mukolera Hamos nzire uwe. Bana batu wa sente batu wa business. These are business partners. What you get? So munange nekola live ne clearing other air. So ku live zino wanyi wabera comment section ewabya. Abantu abana babali bajja bangamba ebintu bichi nenga nina sister wange ne bali nangamba togendera nnyo ku bantu bana abali mu kuwandika bajeri baleete eno. How sure are you tiche bakugamba omukyala eri akyogedde oba okitegeera? So sister wange nangamba ka joining eyo live alabe. So I was literally hearing everything she was saying, but I didn't give it attention because wayawukana naye of course ogenda beera malaya ogenda kubeera ki buli muntu bamuyita malaya buli muntu alinako gyatuuseeko bamuyita malaya. You've seen me from zero.
So Black Sugar okujja mu camera
nayogera
ebyo byonna you personally watuuka ekiseera n'ogamba nti kuba okuvaayo yo okujja mu kamera ayogera ebyo byonna ebyaliwo mwali mufunyemu obutakanya kwolwo lwennyini oba yamala kuwulira bino byonna n'atuuka ekiseera n'agamba kanveeyo njogere kuba video gye twalaba.
Yes, yamala kuva ku eri live nga baganya okunteekako kati nenvayo nenkola live yange netandika okuwa abantu story nga wenkunyumiza era abantu abali ku live basobola okunjulira. Saavumako ku mama wa Black Sugar, saavumako ku mwana wa Black Sugar because alina abaana babiri and I've met one of them.
Alina abaana babiri?
Yes, butemukimanyi.
Kibadde tumanyi omwana omu.
I know two.
You know two?
Yes, I know babiri, but I've only met one.
In different men?
That is none of my business, but over in different men, over 4 men, over 5 men.
Just
is none of, you know you can have
two children close.
Actually, like I came to clear the air. Sikumukubache maji. She's a parent, I've been a parent, and I'm still a mother. Okay. That is not going to change. So
kati awo butakanya bwamwe bwava.
I think someone yagenda ku live eri namugamba oba nina change ogedde bichi because bangamba byagera bingi.
So did you delete the video?
Which video?
Eya Hamos yavirako embira.
I didn't delete the video because this was work. Why would I delete the video? Ekyali yone ku page yange and I'm not deleting anything. Deleting abyaji. Hamos yankola ki? Nga bampa sente. Ajukira we batala bawaka gwe postinze eyampadde sente abayi
business wabate wali.
Business ebefa bagamba kadde mla kutekateka yo waka waffe. So I have to be professional.
So wakubirako ku Black Sugar n'omunyonyolo bakulomugamba naye bino ebintu andi bisotinze like we two people since twali ba mikwano
okusotinga kuki
like ne mutajja nnyonyonyo mukubira ngayo bwe yajja mu kamera nayogera ebyo wali omukubiddeko kasimu n'omugamba naye since twali ba
there was nothing like any fight over chi. Everything came up on that Sunday. Nambuza mulaki neyambaziza akagato. Ne mugamba because ozobyogera bino ebintu ate yogedde ku mukwano gwanga jampa emirimu. Lwaki onzikiriza nange nenjoyininga live nange nenjogera. Lwaki yaŋŋaana ate nga balabe bajoyininga bo babakiriza because she knew I was going to talk.
Okay.
Ne mugamba okay now I think it's time we clear the air. wabewo you can nagamba I hate you, I hate that girl. Why does she hate me? Lero zabera ibako Amos loving.
Oba Amos loving always
Tewali chiriwo kinacho chesa.
But I've had mbuya kwanako.
Amos yankwana before Sugar.
Kati kitegeeza.
Before Amos kunkwana before Sugar.
Abye byanyiza Black Sugar.
Sugar olaba nga bino byajegana bino bisanya nga yabitegera butegezi byajanga business. She knew nange basoka nabi ngamba musanga nkole business you like being bichi ngada bate sijao katuna nalaba Sugar mupite ngamba oychali wanga jachikola aye ngendo okuwira mbu bali mu love ene ngamba Amos M1 blood speed million
nenga ali asose wo kugwa kukwana
yankwana but the things didn't go far amazima matufu Amos sonyiwa nko
oba Black Sugar ebyamugwa mu matuna byo nabiga
tabimanya nako amaze bitegera kati nganze maze kyo yogerera tabimanya nako mukwano I respected their relationship.
Olabika munne wayingira mu relationship ya
there is not there upon my living God over my
Black
mother.
Sugar bo yamanya nti munne ayogera mutu
era mukwano era singa siba kyogera nti yana yandi kitegedde abasajja bakwana it's no more tesi buli gokwana to ina mwagala togenda ending up naye
kati bwe Amos bo yakwana n'ogaana nakwana Black Sugar
simanyi baya mukwana temanyi
oba Black Sugar yakwana Amos
simanyi but I just what I know is they were dating atenga bombi bali beyagala ekitufu Amos yali yagala Sugar kati Amos mukwano gwange kino nkikugamba
yakimanyako nti wali oyagala Amos yali yagala kukwana Black Sugar
simanyi baya kimanyako but yasokera kuye tatuchoka before Amos coming in the picture tabe ngakona bakazi balala
but these two were in love
they were in deep love but olonganze mvudde mu picture nti nange bali bankwanyeko oshegera so this is normal
kati kye kyatuka wakati waabwe ababiri since gwe wali mukwano gwa Black Sugar nyonyo
simaji kyatuka that is none of my business makati ga Sugar ne Amos simanyi nekimanyi byo babiri mu family kale nze Sugar yantuza nangamba side ye nenjogerako ne Amos but tebinkwatako abantu bawukana bulijani it's normal naye omuntu ex wataba muyekera nze njogera ne ba ex bange they are my friends yo come on atanzitira muntu why would I hate somebody to that extent you get just I'm sorry Sugar ogenda kunsonyiwa but something you need to control is your mouth and you have to stop that camera excitement. It is
nebanga lyamaze mu camera excitement evaawa
inze ne Sugar fela twakola journalism I did I'm a graduate of journalism and mass communication bro lwakuba siri mukola nnyo ebyo bintu cause industry ogimanyi getting a professional job abantu bakusaba left right and right esinze omuntu ayawule nnyo oshegera so kikyasinza okunnemesa but nfuna opportunities but also the wage bana bato okuleka bino byenkola so ndeke bagenda okumpa omwezi so lokakuba mu lunaku lumu
macha ebigambo byayogerwa bingi nga biva mu Black Sugar ebimu ku byayogera nga agamba
all because of
nti
hate she has hate for me
kyenkugambye nti munnaye walabika munnaye kisukka ku kino ekyokubeera nti munnaye
Black Sugar natalina kyamukoze kyemanyi kati ku Black Sugar even if she has just had a rumor about her she can hate that person and come out with funny things by the Sugar it's okay for she say it to my face because I was on the live ngampulira bulungi nagamba she hates me it is very very okay Ibra I am loved at home my mother loves me my dad loves me my sisters my brothers my relatives I am loved jobalaba anything on social media bichi kumanyi ndi mu media bankubira wesimu nze ne influence omu ya bankubidde nga ngali ku police ngagala she wants to pay for everything just for those statements that lady said at least muba musibe
lwaki ebiseera ebisinga by'emikwano mubeera aba too close bwe muti nnyo mwawukana mu bubi
simanyi nange neze nekyo etwandiya tekisobola twawula
because tulina video emu gye twalaba ye mabegako you and Black Sugar wali mu depression I think
topic gye twayogerako ku live eyankyankalanya
you and her nakugamba nzije nkukime woli ewaka nzije nkukime
I was at work bali ku office
kyekyali kibaddewo kitegeeza nti engeri gye mwali bamukwana ennyo yali ayagala.
Sugar is an emotional person. I've been with her, I can tell that. Nti asobola okulaba ng'okaaba naye n'akaaba.
Exactly, era video bwe yali.
Yes. Asobola okulaba nti ng'okaaba naye n'akaaba. Naye of course si ku buli omu. But me and Sugar we were friends. Ng'ogyeko bino byonna tubadde ba mikwano. Oba okitegeera.
Kye kyali kikutuuseeko kuba
omwana alina kayogerawo mu comment section so nga kiri emotional kyali kiri mu bulamu bwange nti I've lost someone. You can be okay onateroba nga tunifine one right now. Just nembaka kantu kenzijukira nenkaaba. People have issues. Nenga byaliko ebyo like yanzijukiza byempiseemu like yakwogera kale not in a bad way ng'omuntu wakubuuza mbu how is your son kati yali teyamanya
nti omwana yali yafa oba omwana yali tannaba kufa
omwana yali yafa
those are some of the memories
so kati yakyogera ekyo ate laba ate she gets emotional like nangamba don't do that I know what you're going through so I got emotional nenkaba naye n'akaaba oshegera so era after work nagenda ne musinkana yangamba we yali because I was at work nyuka regular tenga naye alina okubeera ku radio naye nga ne tusinkana ne tuchattinga mukawo namusanga n'omukyala ali awo some responsible woman alina katinti ku mutwe
Amelia
no oba shizosa naalongo yali buzina ensonga za Black Sugar Zubeda era playing a voice notes bamuyita oba
nalo kitone
yes okay. Aina tint right era ina tint ono yes namusanga naye awo netutulako awo netulya bichi batwakolako ne content
kwegamanga comforting okusobola okubeera nga akuzza
by the way Sugar has been my friend buli mwabadde abeererawo munne shegera there is no day she has given me a call nambuza where are you and I don't show up netubanga tuli out nga Sugar bavudde ku table gyendi nagenda kweri table I'm always watching out nga HLE wange bichi like we have been friends but it hurt me by the yandi nvumye buli avuma abantu mubalaba bavuma olumu nange nseka noseka nga nawe vumo byavuma bisesa Sugar kuvuma ekintu nga kiri funny and she brings it out and you're like sali wange byayogera upon my living God oli musajja musiraamu kumanyi olina edini osala n'okusaala nze gye nakuzibwa ndi batuli bakatuli oyingira mu nyumba mama wange era tata wange sapuli ku nsonda abali bazeeyo bamanyi tuli ba staunch Catholics si bano mbu bananga bafiira nnyo ku ddiini but tuli like jenva
ddiini weeri
dignity family eddiini weeri nze mbulamu bwange kino nkyogera wembanga nnimba nga nfuluma wano odemo owulira nti batafudde oba bamukonyi siyingirangako mu bino ebintu by'amasabu and I avoid friends who have such wenetula mu bantu nga laba emboozi zaabwe simanyanga misambwa those things olaba ne bana abatabenda ku TikTok nga bakola video sinyanga jaja biki block baba mbitia I don't love those things
macha ebisale bisinga
I was hurt yokwogera ekyo kintu that's it when in Uganda so when someone explained it's like she meant obandingange yetiro mwana wange
yagambye nti mulimu oyina
Zaya mkwase sirani chata omwana we ate nacha nyingira mpola
oh my God
Zaya muloga omwana we nafa
owulira meaning omwana wange bamuloga bulozi Black Sugar zansabanga interview ku ebyo ebintu I've never given it to her tasinkana ngo Uganda she has never met my son nga mulamu ne mukuzika tate yaliyo teyamanya she knows nothing
teyamanya nti omwana yafa
yamanya
okay
yamanya nti omwana wange yafa tamusinkana ngo omwana wange yabeerawo ku nsi for 1 year and 3 good months tamusinkana nga nako tamulabanga nako physically she has never met that cute little handsome boy rest in peace she has never met that boy Black Sugar abadde mukwano gwange naye bingi byatamanyiiko oboshege you know you can have a friend that omwemaliramu nenga yita kwemaliramu kubanga umanyi in case of anything ensi yona egenda manya yes Black Sugar tamanyi nakyata mwana wange omwana wange yali mulwadde bro my baby was sick waliwo omukyala bamuyita Prissy K, she's my good friend 2 days before my son died namukubirako nessimu nga nina kyemwetaaza ne mugamba netaaga kino. After 2 days nawira tumwana nga food yangamba nedda. Yambuza olwo ne mugamba ndi mu ddwaliro ndi ku Lubaga hospital. Omwana kale mu buto bwate yali talwala. Omwana yalwala bukulu. Mwite bukulu kozera abakuze.
Yalwala bukulu
like omwana yalwala. Nenga you know how kids be. Emisana mulamu nenga ekiro. But he had some cough and flu. Nenga bimulemesa like to breathe well. So ntuka mu ddwaliro bamugiraawo bamutadde ku oxygen. Ne bangamba there is an issue of hypoxia. Hypoxia is chimulanga nako buchanga mbera okunsi. Hypoxia is lack of oxygen. Ne bamugiraawo. I was on a video call with my baby daddy. Nalina kamvako badengamba kati omwana yachuka oh my god. Na bana ebanziza oh shit. Olaba case omwana wange yachuka like yalinga azirise ebichi kati nga akagezako to breathe asa kusiza mu nnyindo akageza you know how omwana muto abalwana to breathe yes so wekaberanga kali katede mukoneke ekyusa nikakwata kumukone bati nikaberanga ka smilinga nga bibira haya kagenda terera namuwanga ngende bulanga nze mwesubi oba you get kati mana kamuja ko kusimu nakamuja ko webati ku video call cause kwa tryingira mu dwaliro paka unamuja ko webati aba yakechi sawe bati mwana ngena akutuka nga wendi bwe bati ndaba my boy was sick.
Black sugar
why would I wake up one day Ibra netiro mwana wange Ibra yagala omwana oyo I love my son
ebe mu byayo gamba mu akatago ko mwana sima akalira ko mwana mbo kali wambo abana
abibuza ngani like this are family things
bwa akalira ko mwana kali wayogera akalira ko
mwana mama angazadde abana baba balinga bameka I come from a family where ngawe chidamu where I'm loved atenga bazade bange bambererawo nze navaje nalimbera nengende ya mama wange nga ndi lubuto I stayed with my mom paka we nazala mama ngenda ngamba kuva wano ngomwana nawezeze emyaka 2 so she told me nemba ngenda wa mama ngali no mwana ndabira ngali ngajanga irajja jokulaba omwana you get there is no day I would wake up and kill my son. There is no day I would start doing amalogo. Why would I even do that? Kati nga ndogo mwana wange avewo nkole ki singa munda kati singa ndi mugagga singa mvuga zi Range Rover njagala cross country singa njivuga abasawo bawa nkola black sugar
bibi binindi ayibira bana
ate mata nyingira
singa made sachiwulira oba kyo kikyo black sugar nayo kute soko jebije ko bina I don't want to hear her voice black sugar nakutola di mubalogo bawa me I have never in my entire life I swear upon the living God mukama gwensinza mukama yanteka kuno kunsi sigenda ngako mu balogo I have never gone with black sugar to any mulogo Jesus akosaka ulide
lwakuba bizanya
because it's traumatizing it involves my late son
it's because oganyo bizanya
ngarati sibireta mukwano nalindo zeko naye yategera ati ndi muloga nali ndozeko naye by the way bintu bikatoka ko matimumanyi naye mukama abamanyi ti omuntu mubi I will go anywhere if she keeps pressing me I will go anywhere I will go anywhere
obawa
omanya kusanya sympathy y'omwana bwatyo beyagide wakiru ngakosa sympathy y'omwana naja nalimba abantu musimayanga wakiru yamugamba mwagala because yafiirwa omwana abantu
supposing that woman professionally do research before opening her mouth that's what I said. First of all, camera excitement obusungu fena tulina obusungu
bukwogeza kyotali meant
mukwano obusungu bukwogeza ze no bwola banayambako ne sister wange nsoka n'omugamba chaka mange si yakuzaala lwa busungu oh my god anyway my heart is bleeding bemaze okuwulira that my heart is bleeding nze siroganga kona black sugar I've never killed my son please nkwegayiridde you can abuse me everything you want so lokumpuma like you normally abuse people that is very very okay but please let my son rest in peace. This is an angel who is protecting over me mwana malaika talina nsobi alina ku nsi talina kibi kyalina ku nsi let my son rest in peace. Everybody is going to die now. Can you gonna wake up one day nga bagamba black sugar avuddewo nekyo nyinza ogamba oyo omukyala nti is a statement ze wayogera wayogera ebirala that is very very okay nti oyogedde ku nze I've never come out to defend myself nga bali mu kunjogerako nasobola gundi yakola kino sisa be defending everybody has a right to speak what they want to say but this went too far. This was extremely too far. She is a mother. Teri mzadde ayogerayo baki ku muntu era azaddeko nga ddala weyita maama ozadde olina abaana si be bakulu nnyo nti basuka n'emyaka 7 no nekyo nyinza ogamba Black Sugar not today not tomorrow but I promise you the repercussions of the words you spoke over my late son ojja kukisasulira.
Tokolimye.
Sikolimye, I'm just telling her. Because already nagambe, I don't have hate. Simuina mpalana. I don't hate her. But for this statement she made, nze sijanga ko lubuto mulugulu. I like doing abortion. Sijanga ko lubuto. Luganda.
Ande bimwe bino wangambidde mbu ebimu toyogera yabyogedde mu Luganda tolutegeera bulungi.
Sitegeera nnyo some strong words in Luganda. I speak Luganda. But I can't come on camera and speak Luganda 24/7. No, I can't have a conversation in Luganda. But of course, I don't mu English. I don't hide where I come from. Like most of the people you see, be proud of where you come from.
Avawa ye.
Ava. Nzichemaji munubi.
Yagamba avawa.
Ava Kenya. Kwa fena tuogera Swahili.
Yagamba muna Kenya.
Gule mwachi bayi nti Sugar muna Kenya. Mugoto chimanyi.
Atogaye munubi.
Nze manyi munubi. Which is not bad.
Kati yatandise okuyimba. Ye nyimba zo zimanyi.
Manyi olimba le. Baby, let me tell you something. It's a nice song by the way.
Oh.
Yes. Iza yakola neka dance choreography. Baby, let me tell you something. Simanyi kuyimba.
Kati ana kuyingiza mu music. Yagamba nti kati ayimbe. Bawe yamugamba kali munna.
Simanyi ate kati obibuuza nze naliyo muti.
Oli yali mukwano gwo manyi each and everything ebimukwatako.
Simanyi bya mukwano gwange simanyi bya Black Sugar.
Ati Black Sugar yes. Your friend.
Yes.
Yeah. Era ndigayo
manyi bya mukwano gwange Nancy. Simanyi bya Black Sugar. Leo togera kati nze Black Sugar simanyi nze nali manyi Nancy. Anyway, simanyi kyamuingiza but of course she has a good voice. Sugar by the way can sing. And I pray yes. Mukwano nze sisize wano kwogera Black Sugar bubi. Ekirungi nkyogera n'ekibi nkyogera. What she did was not right and she'll pay for it, I promise you. Not today, not tomorrow. Ne walabe no interview nagenda nankolera video 10 era ogenda kunvuma ebya bulijjo. Ne noddamu noyogera ku mutabani wange the late son. Ate kijja kuba worse.
Ogambye ki?
Kijja kuba worse.
Choko kibulire tuddamu
kyogera. Noddamu noyogera ku mutabani wange the my late son. Kotalabangako tumanyi na kya mujjawo ku bulamu bw'ensi. It will be worse. You will pay for it times 2. I said already you're going to pay for what you said. But you'll pay for it. Since agenda okukolako. Naye omutonzi yanteka ku nsi yajja kusasula Sugar. Ate bya Katonda si bya nkedde ku kyabi nkoleddewo. No. Bintu bya Katonda bya budde. The Sugar simuyinaako obuzibu. Just nagaana kola ekyo professionally kye yali agala nkole. Empala nako yava. Ayogera eri, ayogera eno. Atuse ne kukwogera ku mufu. Gwo omukazi yakeera ku machano sindika omwana. Mukwano zinaliza ade kumanyo bulumi bw'omwana. I've seen what it feels. I know the pain you go through to push a kid.
Kati omwadde last warning.
Since the last warning. Kubinja simubuulidde. Simanyo bagenda wuulira neze mubuulidde. Sugar, control your mouth. Control your mouth. And learn to respect each and every friendship you have in your life. Otherwise, nina lutalo lw'enniizo olwa Black Sugar. Abo bonna bamuli okumpi abo. Mulinde ogwa mmwe. Nze mpedde, Mamizubeda awedde, Faye yawedde, Amos yawedde. Tufe tuwedde mwabaddako.
Ogakasa?
Yes.
Well, ensonga bwezityo nga bwe muziwulidde n'omwana omuwala ono gwe mumanyi nga Macha ate nga dansa Macha UG. Macha 256.
Yeah, not 256 chechimu ne UG.
Macha UG ensonga zibwentyo nga bwe muziwulidde ensonga ziri kubeera nga ziri mu kutojjera wakati we ne Black Sugar. Naye nga bwe muwulidde agamba obuzibu bwe bwava bonna njabasa mugende ku YouTube channel yange subscribing mu commenting era n'okusharinga mu sharing. Well, away from that, your career for dancing eri kuki ekutwalaganye etya at the moment
entwalaganya bulungi wendi si wabi okusinzira we nali oshegera Ibresh tufa kasone katukakwatako ebyaddala ng'ovudde ku ne bali batubanga ku shoot era I rarely do shoots nowadays by the way ngenda ku shoot nga kasente kali heavy naye kati social media yaje tuyamba nti tubeerako ko tetubera ku baireze siri ku kweraga ekitufu ndiko kwebrandinga nange kuze mutagenda kujagambe njagala social media accounts za gundi you get so njagala kwebaza abayimbi bano abaine ebifo betulangira like the promotion the advertising I really appreciate it temundekeredde nga dancer but mumpadde ne other opportunities okubalangira maybe ebizigo byammwe
nebyo bikola badde manyi just okuba challenges za kuzina
na bikola but neri bampita nti following yange simbi nnyo oli akwesiga n'agamba I trust you banange thank you so much mwebale kumpa mirimu namwe abatukuba ekikono bannange mutuleke tukole abaana bakuba ekikono nga nange badde bansazeko ekigambo nti namwana namukubya ekikono abaana bakuba ekikono oba tonjagala don't block me
naye abantu abaana nga bazze ku TikTok okwo badansa
abaana bazina ate bannange neebaza Katonda babeerewo bakole abaana bazina naye buli omu alina omukisa gwe oshegera omuyimbi gwe nagenda gamba nze njagala macha you get abaana bakuba abaana balina akazina fatukaddiye nze nayingira endongo 2017 2018 tukozeko betukoze
niwe ofunyemu kuba okungamba baba ku big money nakusema baba ku big money
funyemu saba wekala akasane bakuwa kasente funyemu sigenda kwegaana nalina bikabwe nti
nofuniramu n'omusajja n'ozaala n'omwana
lakuba munaye Katonda nazza ayogedde byaki Mukama namutwala rest in peace Gabriel
kati toli
Gabriel nkimanyi oli eyo muggulu oli malayika don't be taken up by these earthly things my dear son keep protecting and watching over mommy and don't let the enemy of progress ever mislead mommy. I am not the perfect one. I am not worth it at any point. But please, wemba nsobeza bane Mukama ansonyiwe. Yenga mwana wange awumule mirembe.
Kati toliddamu kuzaala maama.
Nja kuddamu nga nfunye omusajja ategeera.
At the moment wena gwolaba.
I was but got some issues and nasisobola kubeerawo. Nze ndi mukazi yeekolerera bano esaagala basajja bamma.
Kati obeerawo otya?
Beerawo ntya?
Ensonga ziri ze kawolongojo.
Ebintu bya kawolongojo. It's just your mindset. Of course the body demands, but you just have to control yourself.
When did you last have sex?
I last had sex. Why you're on camera? Come on. Nja kugamba off camera. I can't say that on camera. Last month.
Last month?
Yeah.
Na muntu ki kuba ogamba tolina muntu golaba
twayawukanye actually twakayawukana sinajja batuladdawo ne sinajja batuladdawo ne okay we got a misunderstanding siye nagamba mtu twayawukanye but mara twayawukanye because namugambye I can't do this anymore meaning twayawukanye right yeah Diego I'm okay
n'omugoba
ye n'omugoba sigeda kulaga
naye kati bannaye lwaki tondagaako
toyogera erinnya lya baby
sisobola kati nga mwawukanye ne bannaye kati onoogenda
buno budde mbadde mwetaaga kuba bannange banfumye
nga olina omuntu agenda okukubanga
like baby it is okay Uganda gokwaba gokomba
kati obuzibu bwavudde ku ki omanyi bannaye
nagenda mwezo details byange biri personal Namugambe, it's clear I'm done with this nonchalant relationship. Okategedde? Atwegere erinnya ly'omuntu gyenko.
Sisobola.
Anyways, baby, otherwise, personally, I am okay. I just got drained by that. Era unayogedde naawe nengamba for the first time, let me sit in front of these cameras and I clear the air. But me as a person, I have no issue with black sugar. Simwina akompalana. But just, muzeeko, not everything shagenda mu camera. Oshegera si buli kimu alina kwasama koza yasama muso janjina nagamba kwasama ayogera nnyo let her just learn to control her mouth ate bananga asabe ne Katonda amuyambe ayiga okwecontrolling obusungu,
controlling omumwagwe
because she has a loose mouth. Her mouth is so loose. Omwana alina kuba family members.
Simanyi anti oli mukwano gw'oludde nenze simumanyi.
Nze Sugar simutwalangako waffe. My friends, no, I have yeah, she has been my friend, but tabadde 5 and 6, like tuko kumutwala wake waffe. But I have friends who know where I sleep. Mama yange chandisiza lero she oba bichi, like I have those friends.
But you guys were too close.
Yes, I have limits. Yes, I have limits.
Oba amanya anti munnaye ngeri gyalina nnyo omumwa ali tuke.
Olaba mama yange yanjigiriza one thing. Yangamba manya mikwano jo ate buli mukwano gwo muyige nga bwali. So I embraced it nengamba Black Sugar mumanyi atali what newe bati. So I have to have limits with her. That's why I told you from the first point I refused to do that interview with her. Nti nolimu yalinga sanga ngamba you okay. Nemba mugambe siri fine wenkaba ngamba shiwedde nenga sogedde chichi wachi siri fine. Oshagedde. Because I knew what kind of a friend she was. Choka even to make it worse, no mkwano ya texting anangamba I don't trust you with that girl. I don't trust you next to that girl, Martha. That girl can't be. Kumikono jo inobera najo taina kubera. How do they say? She's not your type. Samugamba no, in this life, mulomu ainengeri jalimu. Atomala kusinkana omuntu nomanya chichali. So I got to know this person. Ne mwagayira nga bwali. Why the Black Sugar mbadde mwagala? Ngovude kubya chitu bachi. Mbadde mwagala yenga bwali. Nenga byebyo.
Okay.
Chusa mu mchala. Mkazi, you're a woman.
For how long like have you been in this industry? Eyokuzina
professionally. How long? Wanga tengenda mu 8 years.
On your side minene mitono. Gochira botya. Ngogerageranyiza emyaka 8.
Mingi. Mingi no manyula chichi sichivaako. Because it's a talent. Sakera agenda kusomero chiga.
Auntie, we've seen tujje tulaba abaana abazze celebrating themselves. Bakulayo bu show oba 8 years of macha. Ekyo tulisuubira kikola.
Nali kirowoozezaako bala. I don't.
Toyina audience macha.
I could have the audience because there are when chipika. Wengamba kati ngera teka maka sente kange pushinge show. Boy muba bwino okujja. I don't feel like doing it. Sina
chichikoza.
Chichinkoza something of that kind. Okay. Because abantu babikola oli ayina ensonga ze lwaki abikola. Yeah. Sagala agenda yo nnyo but I don't feel like doing it. If I'm to do something of that kind, is a meet and greet or meet and dance for dancers. I don't have to be a kusasula sent. But that's about JB make friends, connect.
Oyina muganda woli Yeshamim.
Si muganda wange.
I forget.
But people knew she was my
But
friend.
You guys, you resemble.
Iyo mwana mzungu nawe kale siri mudugavu nga abantu abamu but ate siri mweri nyewe ati oli
Actually me I thought that you guys my brother
anti twasoma fenna kati tutambude ko fenna like you have traveled manya bite biri mwenyo nyinga abala mwembi ate nga muli bana abato bayinza kuloza muli ba Luganda like you have traveled together like so antu batula fembi baloza muganda wange tetubaga batuli ba Luganda but Sagala limba camera. She's not my sister, but
okay.
She's a friend just.
Tetugenda kubanga tusukka ko wano njagala nkubuze with who?
I have a twin sister.
Oli mulongo?
Yeah. Gwe babiri. Ngozolachi abantu ankalanya bibaddira.
Gwe babiri.
Nze babiri mkwano. But in my tribe I'm called Apio. So from
May I have a look at your sister? The mulongo one. You guys you resemble.
No, we don't resemble.
Eh? Abalongo baba bafaanaga.
Biba biwandikawa.
Kiki kubanga temufaanaga. Temufaanaganako yadde.
Ne tufaanagana mpisa. Era kikina empisa ennungi ffe.
Kale, kaakati ekyomusajja. Baga twagala ozaaleyo omwana kati naye.
Eyasooka mu abamuntuma. Lwaki mukiremera? Keep pushing me.
Wandi yagadde okujja.
Eshuka yagande by the way mu musinga emyaka 6. Yagande bachingande yagande musinga kali ka recording kaina mu musinga emyaka 6
alimba
Of course alimba ekyo nkimanyi nti alimba kati kale waba mwemba musinga emyaka mwaka oba ndi mukulu nnyo because right now she claims she's 26 27 28 29 30 naye ngamba ndi mukulu.
How old are you?
Aiya kakagenda gamuti yange let me see 30 I am 36 32
You're 36
32 wakati wogata 26 26 plus 6 kuba if she's 26 nze mba nyongerako emyaka mukaaga. So that is 32, right? But I'm 32, guys. I am 32. I'm so grown up. So please stop fighting with old women like us. And you look at me, do I look 32? Siri muto, but I don't. So not okay yate. I'm in the same age bracket with her. Just like one kati ye.
Ogala kubaka kala.
Enze ndi mchala. Bale ndi gwe. Oba turogira abantu basaba okunkwata nga ndi mu darkness ndi mchala mweru. Ate siri wa kizigo. See, it's not the color. Just I am loved at home. Ate nefa akosebera mu bintu binteka mu stress nnyo. Shegera, I'm a strong woman nti I learn how to handle issues. That's why I don't look my age nti. Ate sino byekola mu kulwanyisa myaka. Kazina bro.
Okuba kazina. Tukwagaliza omusajja mu kazina ofune omusajja mu kazina.
Nenga si wa industry.
Ate munaye mbutemba na love mmo.
Nina love mukwano. Gendo nonyezeko kwekyo. Nina love. Nze njagala chola abantu bankola nye bibi. Njagala n'aba muwala. Wendeta bwe bati. Mama. Nze nga ntijja. Nina love just lwakuba befunako love basiru. Basajja kwa muri basiru nnyo.
Well, tetugenda kusukka kawo bannange. Thank you so much for today. Match at 256. Yabadde omugenyi waffe olwaleero. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ibra.